Hi everybody, here's another video on using synthetic division in order to factor polynomials completely. So what I'm given in this problem is I'm given two zeros, one for each problem actually. I'm given in problem 26 that when I plug in x equals 6, I get y equals 0. And in 27, I'm given when I plug in x equals 8, I get y equals 0. Now that's really important because plugging in x equals 6 and getting 0 means that my entire function has as a factor x minus 6. We've been doing this for the last couple months, so that should be not a surprise to you. Similarly, for problem 27, part of my final answer should be x minus 8. Now the reason I know I'm looking for parentheses here is because it says factor in the instructions. Sometimes it'll say solve, and that's when I will want to just find x values or provide x equals. So I'm going to set up my synthetic division bracket. 1, -3, -16, and -12. I didn't skip any exponents, so I don't need to do anything there. And I'm going to use the x value of 6. So when I plug that in, I get a y value of 0. That's great because that's what I was promised here. I was promised plug in 6 and get a y value of 0. So you remember from before that this means that we have 2, 3x, and 1x squared. Since I don't see any negatives there, they're all positive. Now, my final answer could be x squared plus 3x plus 2 times x minus 6, except x squared plus 3x plus 2 factors. So my final answer is really going to be completely factored x minus 6 times x plus 2 times x plus 1. If you need a reminder on why that is, 1 and 2 add up to 3 and multiply to 2. All right, stepping on over to problem number 27. This one has way bigger numbers, so we're still going to set up the bracket just as we had. 15, -119, -10, and 16. All right, what am I plugging in? Looks like I'm plugging in 8. What I'm hoping to get here is 0. I sure hope so. All right, so I'm going to drop the 15. When I multiply 15 times 8, I'm going to get 120. That's going to give me 1. I'm going to multiply by 8 again, and I'm going to get -2. When I multiply by 8, I get -16, and goodness gracious, those add to 0. So I did get what I wanted right here. I have right now 15x squared plus x minus 2. So I want to see if that factors. Now I spent some time factoring that. If you want to pause the video and work that out, you can. But I got that to factor to completely x minus 8 times 5x plus 2 times 3x minus 1. If you don't get that, please feel free to let me know. All right. Thanks for watching. Oh my goodness.